How to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. Let's get started. First of all, you have to download CapCut application from your Google Play Store. After that, open up the application. Once you open it up, tap on New Project. Now select the video that you would like to make the slow motion video. And then tap on Add. Now, first of all, tap on your video from timeline. And then from this menu bar at the bottom of your interface, swipe to your left and then tap on Volume. Now you have to reduce this volume to 0. Then tap on Done. Now again swipe to your right and then go to Speed. Then tap on Normal. Now you have to reduce the speed of your video to 0.3 seconds. Then tap on this tick mark. After that, go back. Now you have to copy this video, or you can simply tap on Duplicate from this menu bar at the bottom of your interface. Now again, swipe your menu bar to your right and then tap on Overlay. After you have it, now you have to drag this video to perfectly align with your upper video or original video. Tap on it and then drag this video so that it will align to the original video. Now once you align this copied video, you have to reduce the length of this video by 0.1 second. You have to perfectly align this video again to the original video. After that, tap on the duplicated video. After you do that, you will have Splice option at the bottom of this interface. Tap on it. After you tap on Splice, now you have to reduce this to 30. So with the help of this slider, reduce this to 30. Then tap on Done. Now once you're done, you can play your video from the beginning and you will see the slow motion effect in your video. Now you can compare your after and before video. So in this way, you can make slow motion video in CapCut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.